Warm welcome to this channel. Alright, let me ask you, when was the last time cleaning your floors felt truly effortless? Yeah, exactly. But today, I'm about to introduce you to a game changer, the iRobot Rhomba Combo 10 Max with its auto wash dock. This isn't just another robot vacuum, it's your new cleaning buddy, handling vacuuming and mopping. Yep, both, without breaking a sweat. Let's get real for a second. Most robot vacuums, they either mop or vacuum, but not really both, and definitely not well. The Combo 10 Max, it's got the tech to tackle a messy kitchen and a dusty living room, switching seamlessly between hard floors and carpets, no weird streaks or soggy rugs. The real kicker, the auto wash dock. It cleans the mop for you. No more touching dirty pads or dealing with the gross aftermath. Just set it up and the Rhomba Combo 10 Max empties itself, refills its water, and gets right back to work. It's as hands-off as cleaning gets. And here's what I love. This robot learns your space. It maps your rooms, avoids obstacles, and you can control it all from your phone. Want it to skip your bedroom? Just tap. Need a quick clean before friends arrive? One command and done. So if you're tired of wasting weekends on chores, the Rhomba Combo 10 Max is seriously worth checking out. Trust me, your floors and your free time will thank you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more smart tech reviews. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and see you soon.